Everything's running smoothly, but just in case, let me tell you exactly where to go in case you need any help. Don't worry, Matic and our team have got you covered. If you see an error message, it'll appear right in the app, along with a tutorial walking you through how to fix it. Follow the steps and you'll usually be back up and running in no time. For issues that you need a little more help, the error message itself will tell you. Head to Settings, tap Contact Us, and submit a ticket. We'll get back to you shortly. The app basically tells you when it's time to call in reinforcements. Very self-aware. Need to dig deeper? The Settings tab in the app and support page on our website are packed with troubleshooting guides and how-to tutorials. Can't find what you need? Submit a ticket and we'll take it from there. 2 things that'll help us solve your issue faster. First, when you submit a ticket, you may be prompted to complete the same troubleshooting steps. Please do that. They're essential for our team to understand what's going on and find the right fix fast. Second, consider enabling debug data sharing. You'll find it under Settings, then Troubleshooting Data. Completely your call, but sharing that data lets our engineers diagnose issues more efficiently. Think of it as giving our engineers a head start. They appreciate it. When in doubt, we're just a ticket away.